DIY remedy for softening hands. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Optional for exfoliation. Lavender oil optional for fragrance. In a small bowl, combine all the ingredients. Gently massage the mixture onto your hands, focusing on rough or dry areas. Allow the mixture to sit on your hands for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your hands with warm water. This DIY remedy combines coconut oil's moisturizing properties, honey's nourishing benefits, and the gentle exfoliation of lemon juice. And sugar if added to soften and revitalize your hands. Regular use of this remedy will help keep your hands feeling smooth, supple, and moisturized.